Right đó, a lot of fruit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have some amazing fruit to show you while I walk in the jungle. Ngày nayខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញអ្នកនរគ្នានៅផ្លែឈើមួយយ៉ាងប្រហែលជាបងប្អូនខ្លះគាត់ធ្លាប់ស្គាល់ចឹងអ្នកដែលធ្លាប់កើតនៅក្នុងស្រុកស្រែបាទតាមតំបន់ដាច់ស្រយាលនៅក្នុងព្រៃអីក៏ដោយគឺប្រហែលជាធ្លាប់ឡើងបេះផ្លែហ្នឹងបាទរសជាតិមិនចឹងបងប្អូនអរគ្នាអាចទៅខ្ញុំបាទឃើញផ្លែច្រើនខាងក្រោយបាទ So I spend most of my childhood time with that food. So I guess you like that food. I like to eat too. So I hope you enjoy and don't forget to pick up with me. Okay, tắt nè ông. Yeah. Đi, nhiều miên cầm má này. Ê, không có khơi chứ khơi. Đây ông ôn được khơi nhá bông. No, khơi fly. Ủa, chờ đợi. Đặt từ. Let's go to pick the fruit. Ai vô. Đi. Nè ông kia đi fly. Thấy nhé. Và lại có đập trên E. Yeah. Đó. Rồi, ok. Yeah. Lại. Come on. Yeah. The taste of this fruit is not sour but sweet, only sweet, but a big seed. The seed very big. Okay, let me take you out. Yeah, could see. This is Khmer how conducting A, but I don't know in English. But I will play the English on the screen. A lot of small. Be careful, you will fall down to the water. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Right đó, a lot of fruit. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Dân nơi bị tối dân lo bắn làm bè fly này, khơi fly này. Còn nào nơi bắn đi, bố nè. So this area have in this season, this fruit we can collect it once per year. So on the rainy season that you can taste it. Okay. Big seed. Tasty. It's sweet. Yeah. Ooh. Big one. Wow. Big one. Big one. Yeah. Ra Khmer cái đặt tiếng ê bằng bồn nè. Đây mau ôi. Oh, we have. Woo. Yeah. So we got more fruit, a lot of fruit. Yeah. Pick up with me. Woo. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I got a lot of fruit now. Woo, you see that? Let's try together. I have wow, wow, amazing! Look at this. We cannot swallow the seed because the seed very big. And the flesh, we eat only the flesh one, right? The flesh. Wow, the flesh. The taste is sweet. We eat only the flesh. Play cái đập chừng ngay vào, không ôn, lọc hơi nè, cả nơi tôi cho chất nè. Okay. So please enjoy with me, and I will keep this for everyone in the family. And remember when I was kid, when I pick this fruit, I always keep some for my family, especially my mom, my father. Yeah, we love it so much. So I hope you like my childhood fruit and enjoy with my video today. Next time I will try to get more amazing thing for you, right? So see you again, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you like my channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you again, and hope you enjoy this. Wow, bye bye.